Today we're going to prepare a soup, a vellutata di funghi or mushroom cream, and I need 250 grams of mushroom. I'm using chestnut mushroom, you can use any other mushroom, garlic, onion, 1 potato, carrot, celery. I will finish with black pepper, olive oil, just with salt, and I'll finish with basil. In a pot I put some olive oil, I add the garlic and onion and let them fry for approximately 1-2 minutes until they a little bit start softening. Once the garlic and the onion start fry, I top up the carrot and celery. Then I add the mushroom. And finally I put the potato. I leave it to cook together for approximately 5-10 minutes until everyone softens on medium low fire. After 5-10 minutes, as you can see, the vegetables and the mushroom have softened. You see they create some nice juice. Now we can top up with vegetable stock. How to make vegetable stock you can see in our video. And I'd add vegetable stock until I top up the pot. I leave cook for about half an hour in slow cooking, and at the end I will adjust of salt. The stock should have its saltiness, so just the salt at the end. After about half an hour, once the carrot and the potato are softened, we can blend them now and create this beautiful soup. I'm going to use an immersion blender and start blending. After I blend the soup, you can see it's nice and creamy. Now, if you think that is too dense, you can top up with more stock. You can finish this soup with a drop of double cream. Enjoy your mushroom soup.